Most YouTube channels fail, not because people are lazy, but because they don't understand the system. And that right there is the difference between creators who struggle and creators who grow. YouTube has its own language, and if you don't understand that language, you end up fixing the wrong problems. You think it's your thumbnails, so you change your thumbnails. You think it's your titles, so you change your titles. But the real problem was never what you thought it was. Let me give you an example. There's some on YouTube called reuse content. Most people think they understand what that means. They think it means don't copy other people's videos. But that's not always how YouTube sees it. Sometimes it's about how your content is perceived. I've seen creators delete videos when the real issue is something simple, like audio, too loud, too low, and suddenly YouTube sees it as low quality. Now you're fixing thumbnails when the real problem was never your thumbnail. That's what I mean when I say you're solving the wrong problem. And that's why creators get stuck, because they don't understand the system. Now let's talk about something that changes everything. Evergreen content. Most creators chase views. But what happens tomorrow? What happens next year? Evergreen content works today, tomorrow, and years from now. It compounds. It becomes an asset. And when you combine that with understanding the system, everything changes. Now I'm not telling you this from theory. I went through demonetization. And when that happens, you learn fast. You start understanding the rules, the language, the system. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's why I built this. The Speakers create a hub. This is where beginners learn what most creators are never told. Not hype, not guesswork. Real understanding. Now listen. This is bigger than just YouTube. This is about building an ecosystem. Because content can lead to more. Books, products, music, collaborations, even custom work. Everything connects, for example. Some of the designs you see, I create those. Some people support through the store. Some grab the books. Some just watch and learn. And all of it helps build something bigger. And if you're a creator, and you want to collaborate, or even create something together, I'm open to that. Because sometimes the best ideas come from connection. Even music. Some of the music I create comes from people I meet. So you never know. You might inspire the next track. But understand this, none of that works if you don't understand the system first. That's the foundation. So don't rush the money, build the skill, build the system. The rest follows. Now, this is only step one. The next video is where most creators get it wrong. And you need to see it, because it explains why your videos aren't getting views, so go watch that next. And if this helped you, stick with the system, because we're building something long-term here. You didn't know, but now you do.